Concent is taken from Neil Stephenson's book Anathem, and it relates pretty well to Golem, because in that novel it's a group, well, a community of people, very smart people, who when asked difficult questions can answer them reliably and accurately.
The Concent in Golem network is an additional service that provides operations for the providers and for requesters. They can call the Concent service in any situation that they feel they are cheated by the opposite party, and they call the Concent, and the Concent will support them.
It is an option, but this option gives you more guarantees that the results you're getting are valid and that the payments that you should get is at some point going to be transferred to you.
It makes the Golem network as a whole, as a system, more reliable, more secure, more trustful.
In our network, results are non-deterministic, and even the person requesting the results doesn't know what the output should be. So you may believe that the output you got is the one that you really should have got, but in fact you would have to recalculate everything yourself to be sure. So this non-deterministic approach is very hard to make computation verifiable. This was the first issue that made us think that we need some other component to assist us with verification. On the other hand, we have transactions.
How can we make sure that this agreement, this transaction between provider and requester is fair? Well, the payment must be done and the verification must give you a positive result.
We gathered requirements from proprietary software developers, namely commercial renderer developers, and it turns out that they need solution for their licensing infrastructure. And what they have pretty solid notion of trust. People who bought their rendering software trust them. And this gave us a hint that Concent may be implemented as a central service right now, because notion of trust which those developers have can be used with Concent. And people using their software are going to use Concent just as they would use their licensing services. This concept is with us for quite a while. We've been working hard for months now on putting it all together, so gathering requirements, analyzing the problem in depth, thinking about decentralization because it's a crucial part of this. And right now we're sure that we know how to do it. For Brass, we have everything set in place and there is no research work required. What's more important, we also know how to develop Concents and evolve with them later on, after Brass release.